Yes, what we had learned previous class. Individual, individualization, society, socialization, interdependence of individual and society, mainly important interaction of body, mind and society. So previous unit we had enough knowledge how a person become ill when a person interact with social situations. Today I have to start with third unit, culture. Shally, Silpa, can you respond to me? Identify whether you are
Yes,
hearing or
sir.
not. Okay. Okay, students, I think you would not like to interact with me. So I like it. I think many of them having audio issue as well as other issues you have. Study of culture. What do you mean by culture? Look at this cartoon. What do the cartoon? Action, action, do some action. Or walking, which may be called as a behavior. Doing a behavior. The culture is the word have been using not only in sociology, also used in laboratory. Doctors written sputum culture. Do you know that? What is that culture? Study about growth of a microorganism in a particular specimen. Next, agriculture. Agro means plant, culture means growth. So study of growth of plant. So the bad culture is not only used in sociology, used in other field as well as. But in sociology culture, what do you mean? In microbiology study about culture means study of growth of a microorganism. In agriculture, study about the growth of a particular plant. In sociology, study of culture means growth of behavior. No, that is action. Why a man behave in this society? In other words, cultivation of behavior. How a person behave. What are the factors need for a behavior? Introduction. First, study of culture is integral part of sociology. Culture determines behavior. Theories regarding culture explain about culture and development. Cultural change can be change the society. Cultural factors can affect and influence health status of individual and society. Standard culture import health. Unstandardized culture cause the diseases. Nurses need deep knowledge of culture to rehabilitation of the patients. The reason is that maximum of disease caused by cultural factors. Cause root of diseases, communicable as well as non-communicable. So culture is a medicine. If change culture can cure the disease, prevent the diseases. Standardized culture can enhance health status. So every nurse should be conceptualized regarding culture. Look at this, different types of culture. Culture, different parts of the world displayed by folk dances. For example, in our culture, display in Kathakali, Kathakali, only in Kerala, display in Kerala culture. Then Bharatanatyam, look at this. Another, look at, so this is one of the expressing culture there through their folk dances. Global culture, every country having different culture. Look at this India, then Indian culture, UK culture, the Japanese culture like this. Meaning, Latin, cultura, mean cultivate. Definition, complex whole, which includes knowledge, belief, art, moral, law, custom, any other capabilities acquired by man as a member of society. Pattern of behavior. according to Taylor, simple definition is that culture may be defined as the pattern of behavior which is determined by the material and non-material cultural traits. Non-material means invisible characters, mainly belief, value, knowledge, norms. Material means visible cultural traits, characters. What are the materials? Food habits, code of dressing, tools we have been everyday using in this everyday life. So behavior have been cultivated by two important factors. What are the factors? Material and non-material cultural traits. Look at this picture. It's a unique culture in India. When respect others, do this behavior. But when you go to in America, what is respect? Shake hand and hug with each other. So it is different cultures. Every country having different culture. Look at this. This is Indian culture in North India. The nature of culture.
Next section.
Nature of culture is very important for us, okay? For examinations, frequently ask this question in the exam, final examination. First, nature, acquire quality. Second, social, not individual. 3, culture is idealistic. 4, total social heritage. 5, fulfill some needs. 6, integrated system. 7, language is chief vehicle of culture. 8, evolves into more complexes. 9, culture is dynamic. 10, culture is gratifying. 11, transmitted by horizontal. 12, it is adaptive. 13, it is integrative. 14, varies from society to society. 15, it is super organic. 16, culture exists as a continuous process. 17, culture is transmissive. 18, culture is learned. 19, culture is social. 20, culture is shared. Detail going on. Acquired quality. Acquired means observe from others. Observe from the society. by means of material and non-material factors observed from society. Any norms, values, customs, traditions, etc. Mainly the culture learned from the society through socialization, second, social, not individual. So, culture is not an individual factor, only social factor by means of interaction, pattern of behavior, systematic interaction, heritage of man. That behavior drive from maybe one generation to another generation. Third, culture is idealistic. Idea means knowledge or principles. So, ideas and principles based on their values and norms, goals. Fourth one, total social heritage. Tradition, generation to generation. Combination of traditional characteristics and link with past. Then fulfill some needs. Now, every culture aims to fulfill a particular need. For example, culture of food habit to fulfill biological needs. Sixth one, integrated system. Integrated means coordination. Integration of family, religious, educational, economic, ecological, political, etc. 7, language is chief vehicle of culture. Without language we can't interact or transfer the culture. Language used to transfer from one generation to another generation, one group to another group. Then evolve from more complex. Complex means more critical. So, every behavior having multiple factors. For example, material as well as non-material. Detail will be later. 9th one, dynamic, change. Culture having change, place to place, time to time, region to region, family to family is different. Tenth one, culture is gratifying. Gratifying refers to agreeable. every members of society should be accept. Then only that culture should be able to display in the society. So which means that culture have been fulfill a particular need and satisfying the needs. Then transmitted by horizontal. One generation to another generation. One group, another group. Means of interaction. 12. It is adaptive, means adjustable. Can adjust time to time, place to place. Determine. Interaction of old and new cultural traits. According to need, can adjust. Thirteen, it is integrative. Integration means coordination. Every sections involved. Every components of society have been integrated by culture. 14, varies from society to society. Due to material and non-material components or traits. For example, agrarian society having different culture due to agricultural factors. Industrial society having various different culture due to the industrial factors, mainly material and non-material components. It is super organic. It's evolved from process of physical, social, psychological. Every section or parts of society involved, as well as every discipline involved to develop a culture. Not only psychology, not only physiology, also social as well as including. Culture exists as a continuous process. Continuous means lifelong. Difficult to imagine what society would be like without culture. Culture is society being. Through culture only we can identify we are being. 17, culture is transmissive. Is it able to transmit from one generation to another generation using language? Culture is learned. Just like acquired. learn from society, not inborn. Learned way of behavior. 19. Culture is social. Does not exist in isolation. No man can acquire culture without association with others. Also other person, so it's social. So detail available in video format. 20. Culture is shared. For example, custom, tradition, belief, ideas, values, morals are all shared by people of groups. So 20 nature available. This should be keep it our mind at least 15 to 12 natures for examinations. Then characteristics of culture. The students in the examination may be asked in two different mode of questions. Sometimes nature, other times characters. Nature and character are not so much different, same as. So you can answer same knowledge for characters as well. Okay, here available. Same knowledge is enough for nature, characters. Then this is one of the model theory, Coast model of culture. What is real? World view. What is true? Belief. What is good or best? Value. Worth. What is done? Behavior. So this is one of the theory of culture. Explained by Coast. Then evolution of culture. Evolution. Evolution means development, growth of culture. Students, study of growth of culture is very, very important for us. The reason is that the culture is cause root of disease. We can cure the culture, prevent it by cultural modification or cultivation of culture, behavior. Look at this. All cultural traits, material as well as non-material, invented at some times, some place, some person. No single invention contribute to the development of culture. developed by trait. Here structure available. First, cultural traits or single element of culture. Second, cultural complex or nothing but larger cluster of traits. 3, cultural patterns related to each other traits in functional roles. I would like to give one of the illustration here available. Look at this. We need to think about culture of learning in our college or culture of the study time. What are the culture we have been display? What are the behavior we have to display? The time of learning, reading, writing, or other doing. So writing is, which means culture of writing, culture of reading, culture of doing, regarding drawing, etc., etc. Here I would like to illustrate writing. Material traits. What are the material used for writing? Pencil, paper, pen. Erasers. Can you see that? These are the material use. Then non-materials. Knowledge, skill or writing, language, etc. Belief, values also used in writing. How develop or evolve this behavior? Evolve from only one trait, material trait. We need to write, which is first motive. Every culture have been fulfill a need. Our need is that writing. For writing, what we need? First, materials, pencil, pen, paper, etc. Then we need non-materials, knowledge, skill, and language. So single element is a trait. Cluster means 2 or 3 or more joined together. Paper, pencil, together cluster. Pattern means behavior. For example, paper, pencil, knowledge, skill of writing together form a behavior of writing. So which is simple illustration how develop or evolve a behavior of writing. We know that every student having different culture of writing. Some student wonderful handwriting and wonderful writing culture, which is determined by materials mainly. Some students bad handwriting or this unacceptable illegible writing, which is maybe unstandardized culture of writing. So what happens is that the material factors, for example, some students use unstandardized pen. The pen may be not write well. Some students not use standard papers. Poor paper which difficult to write, which cause unstandardized culture of writing. If a student use good pen, good paper, quality pencils, colors, which create standard of writing. So clear about it, what is meant by standard culture and unstandard culture? Standard means is acceptable, pleasant and good for us. Unstandard means which may be harmful, not good for us. So this is only example for us. Every behavior develop like this in the family. Individual behavior as well as group behavior by trait by trait. Some behavior cause the disease. For example, in family, food habits, materials, oily food, cholesterol, cardiovascular diseases, diabetes. So what do? What we do to standard our culture? Just change the materials. Any material harmful to us should be remove it and introduce standard materials, which means a material good for us. So this is fundamental for cultural studies for nursing. The nurse should be educate these patients. The drugs never cure the disease, only control the disease. For example, if a patient comes in the hospital with blood pressure, with smoking, drinking and food habits, the doctors prescribe the drugs. Is the drugs cure the disease? Never. Should be eliminate bad culture. Means unstandardized cultures. Eliminate the materials. Introduce new material. Avoid smoke or drink or healthy food. Fruits and vegetable food should be included in this dinner. So this is only example only, okay, not only the material as well as the non-material concern, belief. Many patients come to the hospital with negative belief towards religion, negative belief towards self, which cause stress and cause the diseases. So what we do as a nurse should be prescribed. Culture is a medicine. When you give to the pharmacological medicines, should be instruct the client. The drug never cure the disease, only control. It should be change your culture, then only cure, sustainable cure, treatment. So this is a simple explanation regarding what is culture. Culture, how to develop, how we can modify culture, how to standard our culture. The remaining we will learn next class. Okay? Types of cultural traits will be next class. So everyone, I would believe that everybody conceptualized regarding culture. You can experiment even your own life, okay? You can experiment your study life, as well as your individual culture. Some behavior you would not like, but do every day that culture, do behavior. Some behavior would not like self, but do every day. Due to reason is that material as well as non-material components. So experiment yourself. You can change your behavior through change material and non-material components. Okay? So today we had wonderful day. We have learned that what is meant by culture. The conclusion highlights of today is that the culture is word not only used in sociology, also used in other field. The culture is nothing but the growth. The study of culture is that, which means in the sociology concern, study of cultivation of behavior. We can change culture, which means we can standardize our life through modifying cultural components. When we change material, change our behavior. Change non-material, enrich our individual behavior. For example, belief. Yes. Do you have any more questions regarding today's discussion?
No, sir.
Okay, thank you. Okay, Lydia, Stephen. Thank you, everyone. Have a wonderful day. Enjoy the day. Thank you all.